most kids with developmental differences are orally defensive, meaning from a very young age, they are really uncomfortable with even just their parents getting into their mouth and doing that really early on, toothbrushing and hygiene. As they get older, that carries over to the dental office where it becomes tougher and more challenging for the child to receive care. Oftentimes, that's the one thing they can't control is whether or not someone is trying to get into their mouth. So one of the biggest pieces of advice we can give is if you do have a child with special needs, from a very early age, you want to get into their mouth and try to desensitize them, even if it's with a washcloth on a regular basis and with a toothbrush. A lot of kids with special needs will pocket food, so from a sensory standpoint, they'll be uncomfortable with getting into the mouth, even to the point of when they're eating, they almost will not swallow all of their food, which is can wreak havoc on the teeth. So you want to get them desensitized before you even get them to the dentist. Then when you get them to the dentist, kids with special needs are automatically in the high-risk category for dental decay. So typically speaking, they should have up to 4 dental visits a year. They should be exposed to fluoride varnish or topical fluoride 4 times a year. They should get an exam on a regular basis and as many kind of cleaning and prophy visits as necessary to keep them healthy. It's very hard once disease starts to go through the hospital situation and go through specialist care. So everything we can do for kids with special needs is important on the proactive side. When it is when it's come time and you need more help from a professional standpoint, here in town we have Knoll Dental Clinic. It is one of the nicest things in the community that no one knows about. The dentists and the team members there treat all of the children from the Hope Institute, so kids with severe, very challenging developmental issues. They treat those kids and they're ready to help treat your kids, especially for cleanings, sealants, desensitization, so those extra visits that it takes to get the child comfortable. That's what Knoll Dental Clinic here is in town. So if you have a child with special needs, make sure you check them out first as well.